It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity, and it is day 2 in Lake San Marcos. This morning we started by manipulating our 10 yards of soil to create our beautiful mounds. Then we had Southwest Boulder and Stone come and stage 2 really gorgeous Napa Canyon boulders. You can't really see this one because we have a little shade awning up, but I'll show you this one. It's all pretty. I haven't washed it yet, but it's just gorgeous. We got that done. They showed up about 7 this morning, so we got that handled. Then went home and had breakfast, came back to start the day. We received KRC, who brought us an additional 5-ton of 2-foot boulders. And we are in the process right now of staging these boulders. We had a delivery. I can't remember, you guys. Did I show you the Matt Jones delivery? I don't know. It's all a blur to me, but we'll go over it again. We got our little multi-headed yucca rostrata in the ground right here. Very cute. And right now we have Hannah and Kevin throwing some pumice into this big pot, which is going to hold this beautiful single-headed yucca rostrata. That's being lugged over by Ralph and Miguel. And Omar is supervising that. Back here, we have planted our beautiful Bicarnia variegate. Check this out. Isn't that nuts? So cool. We've got spiral cactus. It's getting ready to bloom. And we've got a multi-blue barrel. We've got a red farrow. And then we have the golden over there in the pot like we did in Sherman Oaks. We've also got our top dressing rock. We're going chamois beige and desert gold. We're gonna do the 3/8, 3/4 combo again. This will be a flagstone pathway cut in through here. What else can I tell you? It's hot, which is why we've got the easy up going. Greg was working on the irrigation over there, which will obviously be drip. And now remember, guys, this is supposed to be a specimen garden. It's not supposed to be Disneyland, so it's going to be really hard for me not to throw tapestry in everywhere. I'm gonna try to manage my restraint. We do have a designated tapestry area along the back fence line, but the area out here, we are going to want to see some air and space between the plants. Okay, let's see how these guys are going to figure this out. Oh. Well, you know, it looks great in the pot, though.
Yes, outside of the pot for sure. All right.
Yeah, this poor plant. Luckily, these succulents are tough as nails because this girl is getting beat up. Yeah, they're gonna have to shave a little more of the dirt off of the root ball, which is absolutely fine to do. These roots, it's just, it's so root bound. Oh my gosh, I think it's been in that box for many moons. So what we are doing right now is really a favor for this plant, and it will also stimulate growth. Cute, Hanny. Yeah, I hope you guys are okay with the We just letting you hang out with us for a while here. Seeing how this goes.
Maybe that little side. Maybe that corner right there. Just so it's not that corner right there. Yeah, that's the other side.
Yeah. Yep, that's the other side.
I'm sorry, it's hot. I don't mean to be ornery.
This yucca is a linearifolia, and it's greener, and the leaves are a little more narrow, so it gives kind of that shimmying kind of, it's giving shimmy, where the rostrata is blue and has a little strappier leaf. So that's the fundamental difference between these two plants. Okay, we're gonna try this again. This big, we're calling it the cauldron, this big red pot, came with the property, came with the project, and I love it. And I don't know if our client had anything in it or not to begin with, but this is going to be perfect. I don't think I'm going to irrigate this tree. I think I'm just going to have the client water judiciously, maybe once a month. I don't want to risk it getting too much.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Perfect.
Nice. Yeah, see, that's going to work out really well. The root ball is exactly where I want it. We don't want it down too low, and obviously we don't want it above grade. I want to be able to top dress the pot. So we added a lot of pumice in here too, which should really, really help with drainage.
Well, let's, exactly, yeah.
But yeah, I mean, it takes a village, guys. There's no doubt about that. They'll be messing with this for the foreseeable, because we've got to get it just so. We have to get it just right. And then once we have it situated in the pot appropriately and backfilled and stabilized, then we can actually twist the pot if we want to mess around with the presentation of the head to figure out, you know, the best angle. No, it's a little this way, but not bad. I think
just enough for it to.
yeah, I think we can shimmy it easily,
It'll be fine, yeah.
because we're going to want to twist the pot anyway to determine the best side for the plant.
Okay, yeah, we'll just, yeah, there we go, that's good.
Yeah. But isn't it cute in there, guys? Right? Love that. Okay. Yeah, so with the rest of today, we are going to work on moving some more of these boulders. And we're not just throwing them into the landscape, we're digging them in. You can kind of see here, this mound came all the way down to here. And so I dug in here so that I could have the guys take the boulder and shimmy it all the way back, and then we will push dirt down around it. It gives the look of the rock being more excavated and less like a cherry on top. So this area in here will need to dig in and stage some rock. In some areas we've got two. There's two here as well. This shade is killing me. I mean, it's great, but you can't really see, can you? Okay, let me come around. Excuse me. But this here, another flat one dug in, and then a bigger one staged right next to it up top. So yeah, still a lot of rock movement. I think over the next couple days, you guys are going to see some major changes. I'll be going to Oasis to get tapestry plants. We'll continue. Obviously, probably won't do much more with plants today. That'll probably happen in the morning. We're going to try to get as many of these boulders in the ground as possible today. So thanks for hanging out with me, and yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this one. It's pretty awesome. Bye.